Alright folks, let's first prove that moment of a couple is a free vector. What does that mean? That means placement of pivoting point is insignificant. How do I prove that? Very simple. Let's first create 2 points that are parallel to each other. Okay? So we have here, and let's just put one here. Both of these are F. Same force, same value, same whatever, just different direction. Alright? And then now we need to draw parallel lines. Okay? Alright, let's jog back a little bit. Moments is basically force times distance, and the distance have to be perpendicular to the force, which is why I drew these dotted lines, right? So now with this in place, let's do first example. Let's say my first point O is here. Okay, it have to be along the lines for obvious reasons. First point O. Okay, I'm just going to call it O1. So M O1 equals to, let's just call this F1 and F2, but they are of the same magnitude, just different direction. So for F1, the perpendicular distance is D1. Then for F2, the perpendicular distance D2. Okay? And then for my moments, for here, this one is going in a clockwise direction. Clockwise means it's a negative moment. So negative, let's just do negative moment about 1 plus positive moment about 2, because it's going in an anti-clockwise direction. So open it up, it's basically negative force 1 times D1 plus force 2 times D2. Now because we said that F1 equals to F2, so we can just bring them out. You get negative D1 plus D2. You get D2 minus D1. Alright? And with that, you get F times D. D being the distance between the two forces. Now, to prove my theory about the point not being significant, the example showed that they did like outside, but I'm gonna go big, I'm gonna go home. Okay, I'm gonna put my point O2 in the middle now. Alright? And then I'm gonna erase the D1 and D2 because it's confusing. Now I get D3, okay, D4. So now moments about moment about O2, okay, is, so F is going in an anti-clockwise direction, so it's positive. So it's F1 times D3 plus this F2 is also going in anti-clockwise, so it's also positive. So F2 times D4, which equals to F over D3 plus D4, which is also FD. Proven. So now I have just proved to you that for a moment of a couple, it's a free vector. Means placement of pivoting point is insignificant. Yeah.